Hi friends, welcome to the Curvy Mom's World. Now it's time for festivals. From next week, all the festivals are starting from the Rakshabandhan. I have created this makeup look for upcoming Rakshabandhan. I know in this lockdown period, the celebration is excitement of the celebrations are a bit low, but we will celebrate in a simple and safe manner. So stay at home and enjoy your festivals. And if you like this makeup look, then please share and subscribe to the my channel Curvy Mom's World. Now let's go to the video. Starting from my favorite Khadi facial mist. I have reviewed about this product. If you want to see, I'll just give it the link below in the description box. It soothes my skin. Now I am using nykaa essential oil. It works as a moisturizer. After you use this oil, you don't need a moisturizer. It gives an instant glow to the skin. Your skin will look healthy and glowy. Now I am using colorbar primer. It is a gel based primer. It is very good for oily skin people. It clear out all the pores and your skin will feel smooth. It gives a smooth finish. So now you are ready for a makeup. Now I am using the nykaa concealer palette, from which I am using an orange corrector for my under eye dark circles. As you know, I have dark circle problems. And I am also using it on the corner of my nose, around my mouth and on my scars. Now I am blending it with a beauty blender. Now I am using the PAC concealer in the shade Creamy Buff. It is nice concealer. It gives a good coverage. I am also applying on my lid and on my dark circles and other areas, which I have corrected with the orange corrector. And blending it with a beauty blender. PAC has some very good products, good variety of products. I'm using Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige. It is light to medium coverage foundation, but it gives a very good coverage and it is very affordable too. Never forget to apply a foundation on your neck. Otherwise, face and neck skin look very different. Now I'm blending it with the wet beauty blender. See, my dark circles are almost hidden and it gives a very smooth finish. So I like this foundation. Now I am applying Lakme Primer plus Matte Compact. You can apply also with the brush, but I am more comfortable with applying with this sponge. Now I am using the Essence Brow set. I am using the darker shade from the kit. Now I am doing with setting my brow with the angular brush. This is the best way to do your eyebrows. I am just outlining and then filling up the gaps. Now I am using the Makeup Revolution I Love Chocolate Rose Gold palette. It is a dupe of Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I am taking the mauve shade from the palette. It has all shimmers and matte shades. It is the exact dupe of Huda Beauty. I am just filling my crease line. You can see I am filling in the slightly above from crease line. As I have a hooded eyes. Now I am taking another brush and taking this brown rusty color and just keeping the colors below my crease line. You have to slowly build up the color as it gives depth to the eyes, and I am giving this in circular motion. Now I am blending with a blending brush both the colors so that harsh edges cannot be seen. Now I am taking small pencil brush and I am putting the black eyeshadow in outer V. You can see I am just concentrating on the outer V. I am not taking it into the crease. Now I am taking the blending brush and blending all the colors. Now I am taking again the concealer and taking this yellow concealer on my eyelid. and covering my eyelid with this concealer and blending it. As I am putting glitters on it, so it can be visible after this concealer. Now I'm giving this champagne color on my eyelid. I'm just tapping it. Now again I'm taking that black color and with blending brush I'm blending all the colors. So that it can give a gradient effect. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty glitter, liquid glitter. It is like a Stila glitters. It is a best way to use this glitters. You don't need any glue or something. You can see how stunning it looks. Now I'm putting the same champagne color on my brow bone. Now I'm using Nykaa eyeliner and I am just applying a very thin liner just near to my upper lash line. I am not taking any wings or anything, just drawing fine thin line. As I am going to put a falsies on this. I am using the sugar kajal and applying on 1/4 of my lower lash line. And I am taking this nude kajal and applying on my 3/4 of lower lash line. Now I am taking the same brown rusty color and applying in my lower lash line and smudging it with the kajal. Now I've applied the falsies off camera. Now I'm using the sugar contour and contouring my cheekbones, my jawline and my nose. Now I'm using Maybelline blush and highlighter palette. I'm using this peachy blush. It is a very good palette. It has blush and highlighter. It does not have a contour. I am using nykaa strobe cream as a highlighter on my highest point, on my bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, forehead and chin. I am blending it with my finger as it is very subtle highlighter. It gives very subtle effects. So after that I'll use the highlighter which is there on my blush palette. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Gives volume to your lashes. Now I'm confused about two lipstick, red or nude. Then I've selected the nude lipstick. This is a Faces Canada in the shade Brown Ashes. And above that I am using the colorbar liquid lipstick in the shade Push Up. And that's it. The makeup is done. And I wore my jhumkas and small little bindis. So ready for Rakhi. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.